So now we are going to look at information leakage in authentication. And the way that we're going to demonstrate this in Rails is with this method that does the login. So we talked about this already. It takes the username from the params, takes the password from the params, and if it can find the user, it compares the user's password to the login params. And so if everything matches, then it says you're in. Otherwise, it presents messages. However, what we have going on right now is we have a different message for password is incorrect and username is incorrect. So let's try it with the user that we already have. So there's the successful login. And then if we try it with a different login, your password is incorrect. And if we try it with a wrong username, your username is incorrect. And of course, this is, as we've discussed, terrible for security purposes because it allows attackers to know when they have a successful guess or successful partial attack using a username. Because if we just say that the login itself was incorrect, so if we just say if not success, the message here. Spelling. So if we just say your login was unsuccessful, then what's going to happen is that when somebody tries this combination or they try this combination, they're just going to get the same message. And that's something that's going to help to protect our credentials because even if attackers can guess or get their hands on some data when they try it and they get part of the credentials wrong, they're not going to be able to say, oh, that was successful or unsuccessful because we had these things. You know, you're giving fewer details away using the messaging uh, platform that you have connected to your authentication. And that's important because now we are not presenting information that is useful mainly to attackers. Because when a user has legitimate credentials, they can do other things like forgot password, or maybe they're using a password manager, but they don't necessarily need that information about which of their credentials they entered incorrectly. And that is how we remediate the broken authentication issue of information